Create new topics right in your course and insert stuff, such as images, videos, or other objects into the topic. This tutorial shows how to create a new topic in a module or submodule and how to insert stuff into that topic. In this example, we will create a new topic in a submodule. Click Upload Create. Select Create a File. Give your file a title. Then, enter your content. You can also insert stuff, such as videos or images, into your topic. To do this, click Insert Stuff. Click on the location where you will search for an item. In this example, we will insert a YouTube video. Enter your search terms and click Search. Select the video you would like to use. Then, click Next. Click Insert. When you are ready, click Save and Close to make the topic available in your course. Create new topics right in your course and insert stuff, such as images, videos, or other objects into the topic.